No doubt this will be the time when they fall and break their necks.
Yeah.
Pass over here, Owen. Pass over here. Mum can see you.
Yay, Matilda! Hey! When's going under the table? Under the table.
So, can I do it again?
Oh, careful!
How I go to the beach.
What? Sorry, you're going to the beach?
I get back to the beach.
Hang on.
I go back to the beach.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You're going back to the beach too, are you?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going here when.
Right. I don't think that's under the table. Where are you in? There we go.
I'm here.
Hello. Right. Hello. Right, Paddy.
Paddington's coming too.
Well, hang on, let Owen finish. Whoops. Tricky leg. There we go. Hooray! Well done, both of you. And off we go again.